second place is from Barangay. Our entry number 9 from Barangay 1. Congratulations, Barangay Uno, for winning second place for our Pascurela 2024. Musulod gihapon ang rela. Ayan. Malaypayong Pasko, Barangay Uno. Pasko de Oro 2024 is brought to you by our City Tourism and Cultural Affairs Office. Ayan. Congratulations, sir. 40,000 pesos cash for our Pascurela, second placer. Oo, dili siya gasolina, sir. Cash gud ang madawat. To all our winners, please proceed sa toang opisina sa tourism after the awarding to receive your awards. I mean the cash prize. And our champion, wala i-receive pa di ay. Na nagdali ko karon kay mo taligsik na. Hala sir, madakpan ta sa RTA, kinaka sa pedestrian ni parking. And this year's champion for Pascurela 2024 is no other than... Should our champion be unable to perform his duties, no, the first runner-up will take